everyone and welcome back. Today I am battling out here with the bugs. I don't know if you can see them, they are swarming everywhere. But I am taking my greenhouse started zinnias. As you can see, they are stretched out a little bit leggy. These ones have seen better days. But I started these in the greenhouse not too long ago. I'll put up above right here when I actually started them. I think I made like a short or something about it, but I had some time today since it's been raining. I don't need a water and the soil is nice and damp. So I am going to get some of these planted out. We'll see how much. I have 4 trays of 40 and I'm going to be spacing them about 6 inches apart and trying to get them into my garden bed without getting eaten alive. It is ridiculous. It's super humid and it's gross and we're getting a heat wave. So I really want to get these in the ground. And hi, if you're new here, my name is Christy. I'm located in Massachusetts, Zone 6A, and I absolutely love growing flowers. I just find so much joy in them. So I'm going to try and open up my own roadside flower stand. I hope to get that up soon. As you can see, like this whole strip is mostly dahlias. I do have, what you can't see is some celosia and straw flower, more dahlias, some greenery, which is like looking a little eh, and then a ton of zinnias in front of me with more dahlias. So this is going to be a zinnia bed. I'm spacing them about 6 inches apart right now. And as I said, I started doing these. They are super stretched out and leggy. They were grown in the greenhouse, so not under grow lights. And they've been hardened off, and I really want to get them in because Monday through Wednesday, we have a huge heat wave. Actually, technically Sunday, it's supposed to be like 91, and a heat wave in Massachusetts is 3 days straight that's consistently over 90, and Monday and Tuesday it's supposed to be like 97, 98, and then it's supposed to be like 95 on Wednesday. So we definitely have a heat wave. I want to get these in now while it's still cooler for the next 2 days. Right now is Wednesday. Thursday I have off. We have a little bit of a thunderstorm, so I want to get them in before then, and then Friday's not going to be too bad, or Saturday. So if I can get them in for 3 days before this heat wave and get them kind of a little bit used to being outside in the soil, hopefully they will survive the heat wave, especially a lot of water. So I'm just going to chuck along. The kids are on a walk right now as always. And also, if you're new here, I am a full-time teacher. I teach pre-K. I have 2 kids at home, so all of my gardening is done either during nap time, when my husband takes them on a walk, on the weekends. So I try and squeeze in what I can, and just to show you guys that you can still do something that you enjoy, even though you might have your hands full between kids, work, and home life. Definitely try and do the things that make you happy, and flowers do. So I want to see where I can take this with the roadside stand, so let's just keep going. So I figured it would take you along with me to do a few. So I am spacing these out 6 inches apart, roughly or so. I am just using my Hori knife to just try and measure it out. I love this because it does have inches in here. And then I still have this massive bag of worm castings. I got those from Costco. And I am just going to keep on going. As you can see, some are a little bit wobbly. Hopefully they will straighten up, but I am just doing 6 inches apart as best as I can. This is a 4-foot roughly wide row, and then I will put some netting on when they get a little bit bigger. I'm hoping I can pinch them soon once they have their 3rd set of true leaves, which most of them, like these ones right here at the bottom, won't count. So 1, 2, 3, they're just starting to get their 3rd set of true leaves. Once they have that 3rd set and the 4th set is coming, or even just a flower, I will snip right above that 3rd set of true leaves. I did it over with my other zinnias. The ones over there have literally taken a beating with all of the rain, the heat. It's actually been really cold lately. So these have been used to like cooler nights. We had some 50-degree nights still. So I'm gonna plant them. Oh, and it seems like the kids are home. So I actually will be hopping off in a second. We'll be having our dessert and then get the kids off to bed, and then I'll come back later when they are asleep, or just finish the rest up tomorrow. So I guess I'm gonna hop off and I'll see you guys soon, hopefully. All right, so we're back outside. Kids are down, so I apologize if you can hear their monitors, but I just wanted to go over how I am planting these one last time. I honestly can't remember if I should or not, but I am spacing these 6 inches apart. And what I do is I just use my Hori knife, which I absolutely love. It has a 6-inch mark. My giants, I did 9 inches, and then the other ones over next to the giants, like just like your normal size zinnias, I believe I did 4 or 5 inches. I jam-packed those. That was way before I was planning on doing it, so they are super close together. But I am putting, again, worm castings in. I'm just gonna dig a hole, and then I just plop these out by squishing the bottom. And again, these are just like super stretched out and leggy, but the roots are great. They are not root bound. And then all I do is, this one already had worm castings in. I am just gonna backfill and then push down. I guess you can't really see it, but then I just push down and leave it at that. And then I won't water them in right now. Again, we just had some rain, so everything should be nice and damp and good to go. The varieties I'm planting today are a mix from Windfall, which I believe is located in Canada. I got those from seed swapping, so I'm really hoping that those are true ones from Windfall, because I obviously found out about them later on and definitely will be ordering from them later. And then a lot of them are still from Seed Cult, which I've had great success from. Any of them from Seed Cult is Etsy seller. So yeah, we're just gonna keep on going. I probably won't finish them all today, but no worries, I can get some more done tomorrow morning. All right, and we got all of the zinnias in. And as I mentioned, some are a little bit, actually I would say all of them are a bit leggy or a little spindly, so hopefully they'll straighten out. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, and this doesn't get sun until a little bit closer to 11 or 12, so that's great. But yeah, everything is looking great. I have to do some more starts so I can fill in my extra space, and yeah. Sweet dreams, everyone. Happy gardening.